Welcome back to Taja's garden, but we are not in the garden. We are actually on a plane. So
a different type of garden.
Okay.
Flight?
Yes, 11 hours.
50 minutes, so technically 12.
Yeah, from Seattle to Seoul, South Korea. First, we went from Tulsa to DFW to Seattle, Washington. Now we're going from Seattle to South Korea, and then the next one is from South Korea to Shanghai, China. And we're going to get on a cruise, Royal Caribbean, from Shanghai, China to Japan. We're going to visit Nagasaki and Fukuoka. Yeah. So, we're excited. I can't lie, I'm a little nervous, but got my little
because we're over the Pacific Ocean. I mean, sorry, it's Pacific.
Over
Pacific
the Pacific Ocean. Let me show you how it looks right now. So this is the time that we are going to get there. We literally left Seattle at 2 p.m. on Friday, and we're going to get in South Korea 9 p.m. on Saturday. We have exactly 10 hours left. I have my vegetarian one. This looks like potatoes.
I want to bite it up.
I bet you do. Potatoes. Cheese, salad, raisins, and he got the pasta. Ooh, what's that?
I don't know.
I'm gonna bite it out. And look at that, that's the chicken. 서비스적으로 말씀을 전달해드리고 있습니다. 저희 비행기 앞으로 약 1시간 동안 운행할 예정입니다. 손님 여러분께 we'll check back in a couple hours. The time to our destination is 7 hours. It's knocked out. Just watching TV. We have 2 hours and 9 minutes left. us a while to deboard, and we also arrived a little late, so I will insert a clip right here of us trying to run to this gate. Trying to get to our gate. Oh my goodness. To get on the plane in time, but it was really nice because they had a list of names of the people who were trying to get on this flight, and they had people like workers that actually escorted us here and made sure we got here on time. So this is our last flight officially.
Tired.
Yes.
Yeah, flying over.
More than 20 hours.
Yeah, more than 20 hours. Yeah. Definitely.
We finally know the meaning of jet lag because we gonna be knocked out for a while. After more than 21 hours of flying, we have finally reached our destination of Shanghai, China, and it was absolutely beautiful here. You're going to want to make sure that you have done all of your research and have gotten registered into all of the necessary apps before you actually arrive in this country. We did all of our research, but we were not registered in the Didi app. So once we reached Shanghai, my husband started to register us into the Didi app, and we started having a lot of issues because it would not connect to our American phone number. After almost an hour of trying to figure this out at the airport, we decided to just go ahead and take a taxi to the hotel and just figure it out there. Halfway through this drive to the hotel, we noticed that our taxi driver was trying to scam us. He stopped on the side of the highway, and that's when he proceeded to say that his meter went out and he has no way of tracking how much this ride is going to be. However, I did speak to an airport employee, and they showed me how much that ride was going to be, and I showed him, but he kept saying no, 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 and he pulled up his calculator after we got to our final destination, and he put in a certain amount and multiplied it by 5 and charged us that. Since we were in a country that we were not familiar with, we went ahead and paid him. We didn't want any issues. After registering in the Didi app, everything was smooth sailing. We arrived at our hotel around midnight, so we hurried to take our showers and went straight to bed so that we can get up bright and early for breakfast.
Sweet. All from this button over here. Now, this city looking like New York. A lot of buildings and stuff, huh? We choose the riverside view. On the next side is more of the city. So, this riverside look good though. Riverside view. And we are on the 66th floor. Look at that.
Good morning. So right now it's 6 in the morning for us and 5 in the evening for Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. 56th floor.
Next, we were off to the 56th floor to eat breakfast, and let me tell you, this breakfast was absolutely immaculate. It was so beautiful and so delicious. My husband started to get distracted by the beautiful view that we had on this floor. So after he shows you this view, I'm going to show you a clip that I took on my phone of all the food that they had prepared for us. So upon entering, they had an entire spread of different drinks, mostly cold pressed fruit drinks, and they were absolutely delicious. I tried every single one of them. They also had different types of milk to choose from: skim milk, whole milk, 1% milk. They had nuts that you can eat, dried fruit. Once we got to the food, we decided to eat on the Chinese side, and let me tell you, the food was so good. And it was not at all what we expected Chinese food to be. What you think Chinese food is over here in America is not everything. They have so much variety that you are not even aware of. And it was such an eye-opening experience that just because we think a country is a certain way does not at all mean that that is how that country is. You actually have to get out and travel so that you don't believe propaganda. And it was just a lot of food. The western side had things that you would normally eat over here, like eggs, bacon, potatoes, pancakes. They had that type of food on the western side, and on the Chinese side they had things that we would consider eating for lunch and dinner. After finishing our breakfast, we decided to request a driver on the Didi app, and we went out to explore the city. And that will be on part 2 of our vlog to China and Japan. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time.